Welcome back. Today I'm going to make some Keto Mongolian Beef. Let me show you how. The first thing I'm gonna do to prepare this meal, I bought some flat iron steak. I'm gonna cut it up against the grain. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna take my Interstellar petty chef knife. You can also use flank steak, but I just kind of chose to use the flat iron steak tonight. I have some avocado oil. I'm gonna start the sauce here. I'm just gonna put a little bit down in my pan on the Blackstone. It's warmed up. I do have some ginger paste that I'm gonna add to this, as well as some garlic paste. And then I have red pepper flakes. Kind of combine this and give it a stir in here. I have some water we're gonna throw in here. I have some soy sauce. And I have some plant-based sugar. It's an alternative. And then we are just gonna stir this all in. We're gonna try to bring to a boil and let it get thickened. I'm gonna start some cauliflower rice, warming that up. So let's put that on our griddle. I have the heat on low. And then I'm also gonna start browning up our flat iron steak. So lay these pieces out. We're gonna brown for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. I'm gonna add some between the bun made by Shore Smoke Seasoning onto our meat here. If you're interested in trying it, check out my link below and you can save 10%. So I have some green onion here I'm gonna cut up, and I'm just gonna do bigger pieces. So we are gonna go like this and cut them up and then set them aside. Save these, replant them, and you'll have a brand new plant of green onion. So my sauce is over here boiling, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my beef and put it into the mixture. These little guys are getting away from me. Not yet. Kind of stir in your meat here. Coat those, toss them around. I have a little bit of xanthan gum that I'm gonna add into the mixture here, and that is to hopefully thicken up some of my sauce. All right, the sauce is thickening up. And our last step here, guys, is to throw in our green onions. And then we're just gonna kind of toss those in, plate up, and enjoy. All right, let's give this a try. So good, guys, and it's too good to be keto. go. See you next week. Give it a try.